A 41-year-old man was safely rescued from his catamaran boat after it started taking on water in rough seas. The skipper and sole occupant was travelling south from New South Wales and encountered rough seas when he attempted to enter Lake's entrance just after 11 p.m. on October 12th. While trying to gain control of his 6.6-metre catamaran, he sustained a broken wrist as it began taking on water. He contacted emergency services and water police officers winched him to safety. He was taken to the hospital with mild hypothermia and treatment for his wrist. Water police will investigate the circumstances surrounding the incident.